How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80d02017. If you're also experiencing error 0x80d02017 while using Microsoft Store, try these tips. 1. Disable IPv6. 2. Reset MS Store via PowerShell by running the following command as admin: get apps package alias name Microsoft.Windows Store. For each apps package, disable development mode, register $_install location appx manifest.xml verbose 3. Remove third-party antivirus utility IES using the recommended uninstall tool Pro under Windows Safe mode. 4. Deactivate Active VPN. 5. Reset Windows Update by running the following commands as admin: netstop wowserve netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misa server renc Windows software distribution.old renc Windows system 32 catro2.old netstart wowserve netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misa server.